I'm honored today to witness this important event of signing of a memorandum of understanding between Stanbic, Kenya Foundation Limited, and the Kisii County government. I wish to thank the earlier opportunity to thank our partners, the Stanbic, Kenya Foundation Limited, and the able leadership of my friend and the son of the soil, Joshua Igara. Indeed, as we just indicated, I've been trying to get even hold of your quote. You are hard to be gotten, but I'm happy you have come home. For choosing Kisii as one of your partners, and I vote totally commitment on my part at the CEO of this great county to ensure success of this noble venture. Indeed, this partnership will be a game changer once fully implemented, as it cuts across almost all the departments in my government that have a direct impact on the common management. As a matter of fact, the program that will be launched, all which we have launched and implemented under the MOU, complement my campaign manifesto, the County Integrated Development Plan, CIDP, and Annual Development Plan, ADP. And for that, I thank the Foundation for coming in handy as one of our major partners. This is truly a milestone on the part of the county government.
So my answer is I may be late, but I'm a stronger partner for you, and you'll be surprised how much weight to bring. It's a new platform. It's a new platform. And I don't worry myself, about those issues, because I always say I've run a large institution, and why don't you show me what you have run then? If you want to challenge, let's see what you have done. So that is the experience I bring for you, and I thank the people for the business in this area.
Afternoon, that we shall give the 50 computers at the request of the governor. So at least that is one area ticked. The second area ticked even before we sign the MOU, which is what we're hoping to do, is that we've, from Monday next week, we start training the trainers. These trainers will then train the youth. There is an ambition in this county to reach as many youth as we can reach. Siku hizi tunaona kila kitu imeenda kwa mtandao. Youth are all going digital.
And this MOU seeks to, among others, establish framework of collaboration between our government and the foundation for training on digital knowledge and skills, training on entrepreneurship, availing affordable financing to micro and small medium enterprises. Beside the MOU, will enhance the empowerment of the youth, women, and the MCs towards building strong enterprises in line with the county strategy and UN Sustainable Development Goals. Further, it will explore ICT innovations and funding of the same, facilities access to mass market and the corporate, and enable access to market through corporate value chain, trade corridor, and government trade agenda. As a CEO, I'm delighted to know that within the spirit of this partnership, the Foundation will support the county government initiative to strengthen healthcare services as cancer screening and generally wellness check will be part of the program. In general, through the cooperation, we will be able to train youths, women, differently blind persons and MSCs on digital knowledge and skills. B, train youth, women, different blind persons on entrepreneurship skills and access to potential markets. Provide access to affordable finance for MCs as well as mass market. This will execute by working in close partnership with existing structures in the county government. Explore areas of collaboration around the Department of Fisheries and Value Addition. Support the county's ICT infrastructure agenda by donating some of the computers for use under joint digital agenda. Provide MCs with access to market through corporate value chain, trade, corridors, and government trade agenda, I want to direct all my county committees, CECs, the chief officers and all those working under them to dictate their time towards ensuring that they effectively deliver in their respective departments.